Most people in Nigeria are scrolling on their phone every single day, wasting hours on TikTok, WhatsApp, and even Instagram. But very few realize that that same phone in their hand can turn into money printing machine. And here is the best part. You don't need followers. You don't even need fame. You don't need to be an influencer. What you need is one thing: a digital product. Today, I'm going to walk you through the best digital product to sell in Nigeria and make a lot of money. Even if you got zero followers, by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to sell it, and how to start making money without begging anyone for likes. Trust me, this video could be the turning point in your life. Now, before we dive into it, let me introduce myself properly. I'm Akugha Precious. I'm a certified business coach and online sales strategist. I help people turn their phones into money-making machine using smart strategy that works in Nigeria. So today, I'll be showing you exact digital products that are working right now in Nigeria. How people are making millions from them, and most importantly, how you can start even if you have no audience. All right, let's get straight to the point. What are digital products? It's anything you can sell online that people can download, watch, or access instantly. No delivery guys, no warehouses, no logistic drama. Once you create it, you sell it unlimited number of times. Think of it like you do work once and you get paid over and over again. That's the magic. Now, compare that to selling physical products. Let's say you are selling shoes. You buy one pair, you sell one pair. But with digital products, you create one product, you sell it 10 times, 100 times, and even 1,000 times. That's what we call scalability. And in an economy like Nigeria, where things are tough and everyone is looking for an extra hustle to do, scalability is your best friend. And don't overthink it. Digital products aren't just for tech experts anymore. Anyone with a little bit of knowledge, creativity, or even skills can package something valuable and sell it. Now, why am I saying digital products are perfect business for Nigeria right now? It's simple. Look around. Inflation is rising, fuel price is going up, and salaries are staying the same. But do you know what's not stopping? Data subscription. Every single day, millions of Nigerians are online searching for solutions. How to make money, how to move abroad, and how to start business. People are hungry for answers, and digital products give them that answers. Let me give you a quick example. A lady I know wrote a short ebook, just 20 pages, on how to start food delivery business in Lagos. She uploaded it on Seller, priced it at 3,000 naira, and shared it on WhatsApp group. Within a week, she had made over 500,000 naira. And here's the thing, she didn't have followers. She didn't even have a YouTube channel. She just had information that people needed. Package it neatly in a digital product. That's the power I want you to see today. Now, let's get into the juicy part of it. The best digital product you can sell in Nigeria, even if you have no followers. And I'm not just going to list them. I will show you how they work, why they work, and how you can start today. One is ebooks, the classic money maker. Ebooks are still selling like crazy in Nigeria. People love information that solves problems quickly. You can write about anything: how to get remote jobs, how to run a small business, relationship advice, financial planning. Don't overcomplicate it. 20 to 50 pages is enough. Use Google Docs or Canva to create it. Make a nice cover and boom, you've got a product. Where to sell? Platforms like Sellers, Paystack Store, even directly on WhatsApp. I know a guy who made over 1 million naira from an ebook he wrote in just 2 days. And all he did was promote it on Facebook groups and WhatsApp broadcasts. That's it. Two, Canva templates, the hidden gem. Here is the one most people overlook: Canva templates. Businesses in Nigeria are constantly posting on Instagram, making flyers, creating resumes. But not everyone can design from scratch. If you can create beautiful templates for Instagram posts, business flyers, or even birthday invites, People will pay you for them. The beauty, you can make them once and sell them over and over again. Pro tip, offer editable templates so your customer can just swap in their own details. You can sell this on Seller or even to international buyers on Etsy. 3. Notion or Google Sheets templates. The organizer's dream. Team planning, budget trackers, meal prep calendars, social media posting calendar. Nigeria love those tools that help them save time and plan better. You don't need to be a tech genius. Just create a simple Google sheet that calculates expenses automatically and boom, that's a product. Package it with PDF guide and maybe a short video. Explain how to use it and you've got something that people will gladly pay for. 4. Meaning courses, the cash cow. Now let's talk about meaning courses. Don't let the word scare you. A mini course can be a simple WhatsApp class or Telegram series where you teach something valuable. I know a friend who taught people how to write CV on WhatsApp. He made 250,000 naira in just 3 days. What can you teach? How to create a WhatsApp TV business, how to get free gigs, how to use Canva, how to teach voice over notes, package it into voice note, PDF, or screen recording. Trust me, Nigerians love practical step-by-step guides. 5. Checklists and paid guides. That's the quick win. People love shortcuts. That's why checklists and guides sell so well. For example, checklist for starting a TikTok business in Nigeria or 30-day content calendar for air vendors. It's straight to the point, no fluff. You can sell this sheep 2,000 or 5K and still make serious money because people buy them in bulk. 6. Audio training, the faceless hustle. Don't like writing, don't like showing your face. Perfect. Record voice note trainings. Package them as audio guides and sell them. I've seen people send mindset programming audios, daily motivation audios, and even step-by-step business lessons as MP3 files. People listen to them and it feels personal, like you are coaching them directly. 7. WhatsApp or Telegram replay bundles, the gold mine. Here's the sneaky one. If you have ever hosted a WhatsApp class, don't let that content go to waste. Record it, package it, and sell it as replay. Better still, bundle multiple replays together and sell them as a course. Nigeria love this because they can switch it anytime, and for you, it's passive income. 8. Social media content packs, the demand monster. Businesses wants to post online but don't know how to post. You can create packs with captions, hashtag, TikTok hook ideas, and weekly post schedule. It's valuable, saves time and stress, and they happily pay for it. You don't need followers. You just need to find business owners in your area or online who are struggling. Now, the big question is how to sell this digital product without followers. Simple. You don't need followers, you need distribution. 1. WhatsApp is gold. Use WhatsApp status, broadcast lists, and WhatsApp TV channels. 2. Facebook groups. Join groups where your idea buyers hang out. Give value, then pitch your products. Run a 3 days challenge, then upsell your products. Build instant trust. 4. Collaborate with micro influencers. People with 1K to 10K followers often have that engaged audience. 5. Affiliate programs. Let others sell for you on Seller while you share the profits. Now, listen carefully. There are no excuses anymore. If you have been sitting on the sidelines waiting for the perfect moment, this is it. The truth is, the perfect moment doesn't exist. What exists is your decision. Are you going to keep scrolling or you are just going to pick one idea today and start? When I made my first digital product, it wasn't perfect, but guess what? I sold it. And the moment my first payment notification hits my phone, my mindset changed forever. Here is what I want you to do. Choose one product idea from this video, create it this week, and sell it. Don't wait for everything to be perfect, just start. And if you find value in this video, smash the subscribe button. Leave a comment telling me which of these products you are going to start and share this with a friend who needs to hear it. Because your breakthrough is closer than you think. And it all starts with one digital product. See you in the next video. Keep pushing, keep building, and keep winning.